So hello everyone, today I have a sum for all of you. The sum says if x plus y plus z is equals xyz, then prove that 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square plus 3y minus y cube divided by 1 minus 3y square plus 3z minus z cube divided by 1 minus 3z square is equals 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square into 3y minus y cube divided by 1 minus 3y square into 3z minus z cube divided by 1 minus 3z square. You may pause the video at first and try yourself the given problem and then continue to watch this video to see how this problem can be done. So let me solve this problem. At first it seems it's a pure algebraic problem. However, to make it easier we can use trigonometry. I am going to use a technique which is called the trigonometric substitution. So at first I am going to take x as tan of some angle A, y is equals tan of some angle B, and z is equals tan of some angle C. Now let me see the first condition. The condition is given as x plus y plus z is equals xyz, and let me substitute the values of xyz in the equation. So this equation will become tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equals tan A, tan B, tan C. Then I rearrange this equation such that it becomes tan A plus tan B is equals minus of tan C plus tan A, tan B, tan C. Now let me take minus of tan C common on the right hand side. So then the equation will become on the right hand side minus of tan C into 1 minus tan A, tan B. Now let me rearrange this equation. So the equation will become tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A, tan B is equals minus of tan C. Now I know tan A plus tan B is divided by 1 minus tan A, tan B is equals tan of A plus B, and I can write minus of tan C as tan of minus C. Let me write the formula on one side, that is tan of A plus tan of B divided by 1 minus tan of A, tan of B is equals tan of A plus B. So this is the formula which I used here. So this implies, now here on the left hand side I have tan of A plus B is equals, on the right hand side I have tan of minus C, and whenever I have the equation of the form tan of x is equals tan of y, let me write this also. It's a technique used in trigonometric equations. If tan of x is equals tan of y, then in that case I can write x is equals n pi plus y. So in this case I can write A plus B is equals n pi minus C. So this implies I can write A plus B plus C is equals n pi, and let me keep this equation. Now let's go on to the LHS of what we have to prove. So our left hand side is thrice x minus x cube divided by 1 minus thrice of x square plus thrice of y minus y cube divided by 1 minus thrice of y square plus thrice of z minus z cube divided by 1 minus thrice of z square. Let me adjust it a bit. So now let me substitute the values of x, y and z in the LHS. So this LHS will now become thrice of tan A minus tan cube A divided by 1 minus thrice of tan square A plus thrice of tan B minus tan cube of B, sorry it's B, divided by 1 minus thrice of tan square B plus thrice of tan C minus tan cube C divided by 1 minus thrice of tan square C. Now I know formula, that is tan of thrice x is equals thrice of tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus thrice of tan square x. So I can substitute it in the given equation. So thrice of tan A minus tan cube A divided by 1 minus thrice of tan square A will become tan of thrice A. Similarly, this term will become tan of thrice B, and this term will become tan of thrice C. Now let me talk about this equation a little bit. In this equation, let me multiply 3 on both the sides. So this equation will become thrice of A plus thrice of B plus thrice of C. It's equals thrice of n pi. This is not m, this is n. So this implies now I can write thrice of A plus thrice of B plus thrice of C is equals q pi, where q belongs to integers. Since your n belong to integers, therefore your 3n also belongs to integers, and hence q will also belongs to integers. Now when a plus b plus c was equals n pi, then we could write tan of a plus tan of b plus tan of c, it's equals tan of a into tan of b into tan of c. I could write this. So in the case when thrice of a plus thrice of b plus thrice of c is equals q pi, where q belongs to integers, which is similar to the equation which I derived earlier, I can write tan of thrice a into tan of thrice b into tan of thrice c, for tan of thrice a plus tan of thrice b plus tan of thrice c. This is 3. This will be equals, now I know tan of thrice x is equals thrice of tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus thrice of tan square x. So I can substitute this with its formula, that is thrice of tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus thrice of tan square a into thrice of tan b minus tan cube b divided by 1 minus thrice of tan square b into thrice of tan c minus of tan cube of c divided by 1 minus thrice of tan square c. So after the substitution, the expression becomes thrice of x minus of x cubed divided by 1 minus thrice of x squared into thrice of y minus y cubed divided by 1 minus thrice of y squared into thrice of z minus of z cubed divided by 1 minus thrice of z squared, and this is our right hand side as it was given our question. So this is equals the RHS and this is proved and we are done. Please subscribe my channel for the latest videos. See you in my next video. Goodbye.